ChatGPT, please write up 20 PPT slide scripts for introducing ChatGPT for health services as detailed as possible with interesting examples for each medical application. Slide 1, Introduction. Greeting and welcome. Brief explanation of the presentation topic. Overview of what will be covered. Slide 2, What is ChatGPT? Explanation of ChatGPT. Explanation of how it works. Example of how ChatGPT can be used. Slide 3, Benefits of ChatGPT for health services. Improved patient care. Reduced healthcare costs. Increased accessibility to healthcare services. Improved patient engagement. Improved healthcare outcomes. Slide 4, Mental health applications. Example, ChatGPT can help patients with depression and anxiety to access care and support. Example, ChatGPT can help patients to identify and manage symptoms of mental illness. Example, ChatGPT can provide resources for mental health treatment and support. Slide 5, Diabetes management applications. Example, ChatGPT can provide patients with real-time glucose monitoring and management. Example, ChatGPT can help patients to develop healthy lifestyle habits to manage diabetes. Example, ChatGPT can provide personalized treatment plans for patients with diabetes. Slide 6, Chronic pain management applications. Example, ChatGPT can provide patients with information on chronic pain management techniques. Example, ChatGPT can help patients to identify and manage triggers for chronic pain. Example, ChatGPT can provide resources for patients to connect with pain management specialists. Slide 7, Cardiovascular disease applications. Example, ChatGPT can provide patients with information on managing risk factors for heart disease. Example, ChatGPT can provide personalized treatment plans for patients with heart disease. Example, ChatGPT can provide resources for patients to connect with cardiovascular specialists. Slide 8, Cancer care applications. Example, ChatGPT can provide patients with information on cancer prevention and early detection. Example, ChatGPT can provide patients with information on cancer treatment options. Example, ChatGPT can provide resources for patients to connect with cancer specialists. Slide 9, Women's health applications. Example, ChatGPT can provide women with information on reproductive health and family planning. Example, ChatGPT can provide resources for women to connect with OB/GYN specialists. Example, ChatGPT can provide personalized treatment plans for women with gynecological conditions. Slide 10, Children's health applications. Example, ChatGPT can provide parents with information on pediatric health and development. Example, ChatGPT can provide resources for parents to connect with pediatric specialists. Example, ChatGPT can provide personalized treatment plans for children with chronic illnesses or developmental delays. Slide 11, Elderly care applications. Example, ChatGPT can provide elderly patients with information on managing chronic conditions. Example, ChatGPT can provide resources for elderly patients to connect with geriatric specialists. Example, ChatGPT can provide personalized treatment plans for elderly patients with complex health needs. Slide 12, Accessibility applications. Example, ChatGPT can provide patients with disabilities with accessible healthcare information and resources. Example, ChatGPT can provide patients with limited mobility or transportation options with virtual healthcare services. Example, ChatGPT can provide patients with language barriers with healthcare resources in their native language. Slide 13, Telemedicine applications. Example, ChatGPT can provide virtual healthcare consultations with healthcare providers. Example, ChatGPT can provide virtual healthcare services, such as remote monitoring of chronic conditions. Example, ChatGPT can provide virtual healthcare resources, such as educational videos and webinars. Slide 14, Improved patient engagement applications. Example, ChatGPT can provide patients with personalized healthcare recommendations based on their health history and lifestyle. Example, ChatGPT can provide patients with reminders. Slide 15, Personalized Treatment Plans Applications. Example, ChatGPT can provide patients with personalized treatment plans based on their health data and medical history. Example, ChatGPT can provide patients with treatment recommendations based on their genetic information. Example, ChatGPT can provide patients with personalized medication regimens based on their unique needs. Slide 16, Real-time Monitoring Applications. Example, ChatGPT can provide patients with real-time monitoring of vital signs and health data. Example, ChatGPT can provide patients with alerts for abnormal health readings. Example, ChatGPT can provide healthcare providers with real-time updates on patient health status. Slide 17, Patient Education Applications. Example, ChatGPT can provide patients with educational resources on healthcare topics. Example, ChatGPT can provide patients with personalized healthcare recommendations based on their health data and medical history. Example, ChatGPT can provide patients with information on healthy lifestyle habits and preventative healthcare measures. Slide 18, Emergency Response Applications. Example, ChatGPT can provide patients with emergency medical guidance in case of urgent healthcare needs. Example, ChatGPT can provide patients with information on emergency medical services and resources. Example, ChatGPT can provide patients with personalized emergency medical plans based on their health status and medical history. Slide 19, Privacy and Security Applications. Explanation of ChatGPT's privacy and security measures. Explanation of how ChatGPT protects patient health data. Explanation of how ChatGPT meets healthcare industry standards for privacy and security. Slide 20, Conclusion. Recap of ChatGPT's benefits for healthcare services. Summary of medical applications for ChatGPT. Call to action for healthcare providers to consider implementing ChatGPT in their practice.